our webcast on the Internet of Things. Could you please tell me your name, title, and the name of your company?
Victor Vega. I work with NXP Semiconductors, and I'm showcasing NFC, or connected tags.
Great, thank you. I'm here to see your demo on your smart oven, so please tell me a little more about it, and I'm looking forward to the demo.
All right, well, thanks. What we're introducing here is what we call the N tag I²C. And a conventional oven might have various profiles that you have to set up for a recipe. So for example, if I had a recipe book here, I might choose one of these. For example, let's say snacks. And in this recipe book, I pick this, the biscotti. The biscotti goes through a profile that says I have to make my mixture and set the pre-warm oven conditions for a certain duration and so on and so forth. In this case, I would have to set my bake and set my temperature as you normally would. And you can see this process takes a little bit of time. Set my time and then start the oven. You can see here, now it goes. But what we're going to do in this second scenario is cancel out and go to an automated version using NFC. My recipe is here. I tap on this screen and it says, for this recipe, I need 375 for 25 minutes. I grab the phone, and when I tap on this NFC-enabled oven, it transfers all that information automatically. I didn't have to set anything. So that's one aspect of this smart oven. Another is this. Let's say, for example, you have a downgraded oven, which is very basic. It doesn't have a touch screen. All they did is they added our NFC N-tag I²C loop here, or a tag, and they connect it to the back, just as they would any of these other devices. Now let's say this device has a failure. At the time of failure, I could call service and it might cost me a couple $100. But instead, if I were to be able to just extract the error codes from my phone, I tap on this, and you can see that now it takes me to a screen that says, I understand that you have a bad element, and it's easy to fix. You can do it yourself. Press here to order an element, you're done. So there's several aspects from this. You can register, you can make the user experience easy, or you can order parts. For service, it's a really nice way to accommodate the user.
Thank you very much. Could you please tell me your name, title, and company name?
Sure, Patrick Comiskey. I'm the Business Development Manager for Banking Products at NXP Semiconductors.
Great. What products in the Internet of Things are you going to be sharing with us today?
I'm going to show you a smart wearable device, which is a watch that has a fully integrated EMV bank card built into the watch, and we'll show it to a contactless payment transaction. Additionally, we'll show it unlock a door for physical access control.
Great. As far as the Internet of Things, do you think this is an important technology trend, and if so, why?
Yes, I think so, and I think you'll see wearables grow in importance in 2015. We'll see linkage of logical applications that make sense, play off each other very well, so public transportation, physical logical access control, as well as banking. So there's a focus on security in the U.S. There's an EMV migration afoot. October 2015, you'll see more and more chip cards flood the market.
Great, thanks. I think we're ready to see your demo.
Okay, thank you. So what we're going to show is a contactless payment transaction. We've got a point-of-sale device that's contactless enabled. Hold the watch up, transacts very quickly, lights up green, shows us that it processed. Additionally, we'll show this is a physical access control, so this is a partner lock that does corporate access. Door is locked, hold up the watch, beeps green, and the door is now unlocked.
Great.
So another alternative to smart appliances and Internet of Things, like we were just talking about, if I have a filter in my fireplace, maybe I'm going to purchase a new one. I go to my home improvement center, and I remember, is that a 20 by 18, 20 by 25, or what was the size? I walk away, so there's a lost sale. Instead, I take this tag, and in this case, I have a I have a green, a yellow, and a blue. And my coffee machine is going to be smart enough to detect, is it coffee, is it decaf, is it mocha, is it tea, what is it? Because the processing is going to be different, right? So I take this blue one and I put it in here and I say, okay, make the coffee. Well, you can see the LED comes up blue. So it knows what to process. I take yellow, I put it in here, and it says, this one's decaf, so it knows how to process it. But maybe this is chocolate, so the process temperature or the duration of exposure is different. I put that in there, I got to take the other one out. And you can see that appropriate color comes out. And you can take this to the next level. Let's say that I have my Same technology as we just told you here, and I want to upgrade my device. When it was first released, it only made coffee, but now there's mochas, teas, chocolates, all that good stuff. So how do I upgrade my device? I use my smartphone, and when I tap on this, I download the new firmware into the machine. It's also smart enough to know how many I've used because it's taking account, and it says, would you like to order more? I say yes, and they come in with a one-touch tap. It's really a convenience factor.